He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. Holy shit. He's got it. He's like, ooh, what's in here? That's so fucking funny. There it goes. There goes the paper. Crazy bird. He's like, fuck this. There's no food in here. That's so funny. It's blowing away. Oh my god. Oh, look, and the ocean's in the background too, isn't that? I just noticed that right now. I'm so busy paying attention to this silly bird. There goes the paper. Whoa, what's that he's got? Oh, the barbecue sauce container. Oh, I got an idea.